We got the new BRZ. I've definitely enjoyed how this new car looks. Ooh, new graphite wheels right there with Michelin's. Very nice. Looks very, very nice. Awesome shade of paint as well. Check out the rear end. That looks good. Door exhaust. Looks very nice.
I mean, it's not uncommon.
I'm gonna look at the interior here real quick. Not bad. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. And right next to it, we've got the new WRX with the new front end. I wish it was in the prototype orange myself, but very nice hood scoop. Hood actually comes up. I'm not sure if you're supposed to do that or not, but it does. It looks really good. Check out the interior. Ah, yeah, the nice accessible cup holders as per usual. Very nice. Nice two-tone sport seats. Look good. Nice simplistic interior. Always nice. Looks awesome in there. Check out the rear. Once again, nice seat. Very nice interior. Got the come down. I think this comes down.
Yeah, let's see the electric one.
Well, maybe it doesn't. Used to though. Anyways, well, we have that there and stuff, so that looks good. Two-tone on the seats is nice. Very nice. Rear end, definitely don't like that. Looks way too much like a Honda. We'll say that, but nice aggressive rear end. Nice lights and stuff. Looks good. Very nice. Yeah, and also got the front scoop brake outlets, so very nice. Looks good.